Welcome to TDS Online Math. Why 1 is not a prime number? Alright, now in talking about prime numbers, there are 3 features we need to know. 1, a prime number should be a whole number. So the first point is whole number. Okay. 2, a prime number should be more than 1. So a prime number should be greater than 1. Okay. The third point should be 2 distinct factors. Okay. The prime number should have 2 distinct factors. All right. So let's observe this one carefully. A whole number, it should be greater than 1. And it should have 2 distinct factors. Now, ask yourself, what are the factors of 1? All right. Now, let's move on to 2. So, in talking about factors of 2, we can say 1 and 2. So, it means we have 2 distinct factors here. We have 1 and the number itself. Okay. Now, 3 has only 2 factors, 1 and 3. It means 3 is a prime number. Now, let's move on to 4. The factors for 4 are 1, 2, okay, and then the 4 itself. But this one varies the rules here, okay, even though it's a whole number, but it varies this one. Now, we have 3 features that must fit into this, okay. So if a number should be a prime, then it should be a whole number, it should be more than 1, and it should have 2 distinct factors. Okay, now the number 1 here is not having 2 factors, and you can't say 1 is greater than 1. Okay, good. So with this, we conclude that 1 is not a prime number. All right, subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.